Welcome to Pinvest TV, India's first real estate channel. In the later stages of a real estate deal, investors undertake the site underwriting process as a critical step in their due diligence. This phase provides the final opportunity to thoroughly vet the property, requiring a deep dive into its legal and financial standings. This complex process can involve multiple parties and often extends over a month or more. Here's a concise checklist to guide investors through the underwriting process: insurance policies and claims. Review existing insurance policies and investigate any filed claims to understand potential risks and liabilities. Surveys. Examine the land title survey along with other topographical surveys to confirm property boundaries and identify any physical or legal issues. Litigation. Investigate any ongoing or pending litigation that could affect the property, ensuring that there are no legal battles that might burden the future owner. Authorization documents. Review the letter of intent and client authorization letter to confirm all parties' agreement to proceed with the transaction. Site inspection. Conduct a thorough site inspection to assess the property's market location, accessibility, and other relevant factors. Purchase contract. Carefully review the purchase contract to understand the terms and conditions of the transaction. Legal description. Verify the property's legal description to ensure accuracy and avoid future legal disputes. Zoning compliance. Check the zoning compliance certificate to confirm that the property's use aligns with local zoning laws. Liens. Investigate any current liens on the property to ensure clear title ownership. Encroachments. Identify any encroachments from neighboring properties that might affect the property's use or value. Appraisals. Review recent and past appraisals to understand the property's market value. Pro forma information. Analyze the pro forma information to evaluate the property's projected financial performance. Legal restrictions. Examine any covenants, conditions, restrictions, reservations, and easements that govern how the property can be used. Tenant profile. Request a detailed profile of existing tenants, including their credit ratings, to assess their reliability and financial health. Tenant leases. Review current tenant leases and abstracts, including any amendments, to understand the rental income and terms. SNDAs. For non-multifamily properties, review any subordination, non-disturbance, and attornment agreements to ensure tenant lease continuity in case of property transfer. Rent roll. Analyze the up-to-date rent roll, including ancillary tenant expenses like security deposits, real estate taxes, and common area maintenance (CAM) billings. Service contracts. Review service contracts to determine if there are penalties for cancellation and to understand ongoing maintenance commitments. Financial reports. Examine the tenant sales report, aged receivables report, and a list of security deposits to gauge the financial stability of the property's income stream. Tenant interviews. Conduct interviews with current tenants to gather insights about their experience and any issues with the property. Municipal interviews. Engage with the local municipality to understand any regulatory or community issues that might impact the property. CAM recommendations. Develop recommendations for how tenants should contribute to building fees through CAM charges. Parking compliance. Ensure that parking facilities meet government regulations as well as practical and contractual needs. Demographic analysis. Perform demographic research and analysis of the surrounding area to gauge future growth and demand. Competitive analysis. Conduct a competitive analysis to understand how the property stacks up against similar properties in the market. Deal comparisons. Compare the selling price against deal comparables from similar transactions to ensure a fair valuation. Lease financial comparisons. Evaluate the financials of existing leases against similar deals to ensure competitive rental rates. Cash flow analysis. Perform a year-over-year cash flow analysis to assess the property's financial performance over time. By meticulously addressing these items, investors can gather comprehensive information necessary to make an informed decision about the property's potential before closing the deal. While thorough underwriting might extend the due diligence period, the detailed risk analysis and documentation can enhance the credibility of the investment team and improve investor confidence.